blogger Yamaneg ṣé tí mo Kudrisky mo sọ yẹn. Kudrisky mo pè ní Yamaneg, overcooked turkey, menstruation pad. Òun ni mo bá wí in case te bá sọ pé ta ni Yamaneg. Now, ẹ má gbàgbé pé ó ṣe fídíò kan ìwòyí last year náà ni. Mo bá gbé yín trabaye, ṣóyé yín, but mi fẹ́ bọ́ yín. Mo ti play video yẹn few months ago, ṣé rántí? Ipe wọ́n dárúkọ ọba orí platform ẹ̀ ló ti kọ́kọ́ dárúkọ ọba. Ìgbà tó ń dárúkọ ọba gan, èmi gan sọ pé mi tí ní bá wọn dárúkọ ẹ̀. Àfi tí n bá rí ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Ṣé rántí? Later mo wá rí petition. But ṣé ẹ bá mi confirm please, mi kò fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀. Mi kò fẹ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ó wá ṣe mí láàánú pé wọ́n ní spending pé lẹ́jọ́. Ipe gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ irọ́ ló pa mọ́ òun. Now mama sọ kọ́kọ́ láàárọ̀ yìí. Ṣẹ́rí lady yẹn, take it or leave it. Mi mọ̀ ya eri. Mo máa sọ fún yín. Èmi àti ẹ̀ àti dígbọ́ mi sí omi òtó before Justice for Mohbad. When Justice for Mohbad started, I put my differences aside. Auntie Detola tí mo post lẹ́yìn, Auntie Detola tẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Tó lọ kí bàbá yẹn, Auntie Detola, God bless you where you are. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin Justice for Mohbad, tẹ́ bá ti lọ sílé, ẹ̀yin genuine ones. Ẹ bá lọ máa yọjú sí bàbá. Let's show him that we care. We don't only care online. We care physically, spiritually, and emotionally. God bless you, Auntie Detola, for going to see Baba. Out of no time, out of your busy schedule, you went to see Baba. Thank you so much. That is what is called love. Kò ṣe wèrè tó dúró sápàté. Ìtòrò fẹ́ fún bàbá ní ṣọ́ àtẹ́yìn. Oni kó lọ gbé wá. Ẹni tá ò fẹ́ nílé jìnnà ó máa bá ẹ lọ. Ṣínà ló kọ́. Máa bá ẹ lọ ó máa bá ẹ lọ. Ẹni tá ò fẹ́ nílé jìnnà ó máa bá ẹ lọ. Ẹni tá bá fẹ́ nílé jìnnà. Ibi tẹ́ ti máa mọ̀ pé lórí burúkú lọmọ yẹn. God detests the pride. Ìgbéraga lórí nonsense. Ìgbéraga lórí nothing. Gbẹ̀rígbẹ̀gbẹ̀ yẹn lòun náà ń gbé o. Àdúgbò ẹ̀ ságbà àdúgbò bàbá. Ó ti ń wọ̀ mí lára. Ó rẹ̀ mí tẹ́lẹ̀ ni. Àdúgbò ẹ̀ sádúgbò bàbá. Bíyá 5 minutes lórí ọ̀kadà. Ó wá jókòó sápàté. Ó ní kó lọ gbé bàbá wa. Come on now. Ṣó lè jẹ́ ìyá wẹ́ṣà yìí lẹ́ ń bá wọn ìyá yín náà. So wà ní kó lọ gbé ìyá yìí náà wá ni. Ó wá jókòó sápàté nígbẹ̀rígbẹ̀ tó kọ́ paté sí. Àdúgbò ẹ̀ sádúgbò bàbá ò ju 5 minutes lọ. Ó wá mú wèrè kan. Ìyẹn gbé báàgì bí àwọn tó ń tàgún mú. Ìyẹn tó fi ṣe publicist ẹ̀. Wọ́n ti fúnra ara wọn náà máa fúnra wọn lóògùn jẹ́ èmi. Kókónọ́ọ̀tì lórí yìí. Wo kó tó ta sí. Kókónọ́ọ̀tì ni. Ó ní jìyà lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ o. Ṣùgbọ́n yà yẹn a máa gé ẹ̀jẹ̀ báyìí ni. Ó wá mú èyí wèrè tó pè ní publicist. Ìyẹn ló bá rìn kiri ńjọ́ náà. Ó wá bàbá lòun ń gbàwẹ̀. Ó fún bàbá yẹn gbogbo oṣù tó fún bàbá yẹn ẹyọkan àtàbọ̀ báyìí. Ó wá gé. Ó wá mú ẹyin pẹ̀lú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tòmátì. Ó tún wá ń fídíò bàbá yẹn bó ṣe ń jẹun. Àwọn èèyàn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bú bàbá yẹn. Wèrè tó sọ pé òun ń support bàbá yìí o. Kò lọ sí inquest ńjọ́ yẹn o. Bàbá yìí nìkan ló dá lọ sí inquest. Make it make sense. Ìyẹn kọ́ ni mo fẹ́ sọ lẹ́nìí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé gbogbo yín rántí? Ṣé rántí? Now, ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo fẹ́ sọ lẹ́nìí. Ẹ gbàgbé pé ẹbí jèrè náà ò gbà tiẹ̀. Èmi àti ẹ̀ ti ní kwanta before justice. But when justice started, mo put gbogbo differences me aside. Olórí burúkú ọmọ Turkey tí ò rí Turkey jẹ yẹn náà. Tó kọlà sóhun yẹn. Ẹ rántí? Òbò ènìyàn ṣòro. Ẹ ti rántí ẹ̀? Òun náà èmi àti òun sọ̀rọ̀. Èmi àti ẹ̀ náà ti jà. But ìtorí justice for Mohbad, just because I'm genuine, just because I want true justice, I want every speaker to come together so that we can get the justice we truly seek for. I put every of our differences aside. Mobomoto and Toki Tori Toki Jeye Mobashe. The same thing applies to this nitwit. To wà ní Dublin. Show ye. Èmi àti ẹ náà ti jà. But mo gbé differences mi sẹ́gbẹ̀. Mo súnmọ́ gbogbo wọn. Ipe a lè máa bára wa jà. Can I fẹ́ achieve justice? The only thing tí mo kàn dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run pé mo ṣe ni pé ìgbà tí gbogbo yín sọ pé BJ ẹjọ́ ṣe group kí ni máa sọ fún yín mo ní I don't do group because mo ti mọ̀ wọ́n àti mọ̀ wọ́n níwà wọn pé wọ́n pẹ́ they will pretend they are nice they are good tó bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ olórí burúkú wọn ṣebí òun lẹ ti rí tó ń ṣe yẹn blogger Yamaneg àbúrò kan lè rí èyí tó wà ní Turkey tí òrì Turkey jẹ náà tó ń ṣe ẹ rí gbogbo wọn ṣe ń ṣe so ká sọ pé mo ti wà ní group pẹ̀lú wọn ṣàbẹ̀ pé mi náà ní kọ́kọ́ sọ báyìí àbẹ́mọ̀ èmi ò tẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn náà ọ̀rọ̀ tí gbogbo ayé máa gbọ́ ni máa sọ lẹ́yìn máa tún sọ lójú ẹ̀ but nígbà yẹn lójú gbogbo yín ẹ wò pé BJ ti jọra ẹ̀ lójú jù ṣé BJ nìkan lè dá ṣe ni ìtọ́jú ẹ̀ mo ṣe gbé àwọn ìyá kan ṣe pé níjọ́ sí bàbá ń ṣe show last kó ṣe ìtàn ṣe last yẹn tán ni bàbá ẹ bá wọn parí ẹ̀ mo ṣe gbá àbáyé yín fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni ṣé mi wá bí wá ṣọ̀rẹ́ ni abẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n tí mo sọ́ngbà yẹn mo ní I don't do group kò sẹ́yìn tẹ́ pè mí tán BJ ẹ máa ṣe group mo sọ fún pé tí bọ̀dá yẹn bá pè mí gan sí group mo máa ń jára mi bọ́ ni ìyẹn wá kọ́ ni mo fẹ́ sọ lọ́sàn yìí o àǹtí Détọ́lá tẹrí tán lọ sí Nàìjíríà yẹn èmi àti wọn náà sọ̀rọ̀ a kì í sọ̀rọ̀ èmi àti wọn náà àti jàtà kì í sọ̀rọ̀ ìgbà tọ́rọ̀ justice for Mohbad dé lèmi àti wọn ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ kẹlẹ̀ mọ́ pé mi mo máa wà àwọn tó máa sọ pé BJ ò kí dáríjì hàn I have a very good heart very soft heart ìwọ tí bá rí pé ikú dẹ̀ ló kù kó pa mí kò lè sí nǹkan tó máa bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ́ but every other person we can always èmi àti àǹtí Détọ́lá òun sọ̀rọ̀ sẹ́ justice for Mohbad ló jẹ́ kí n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ I might as well decide pé mo fẹ́ bá gbogbo wọn ṣe náà kí dẹjọ́ máa ṣe nǹkan mi but I put that differences aside pé for us láti délẹ̀ lérí we have to come together which was what I did in the first place but I was not they meant it for another thing they were so jealous they were so ìgbà tí blogger Yamaneg máa sunkún jọ yẹn ṣe rántí ó ń sunkún ni pé gbogbo followers mi ló ti kó lọ mo wá béèrè rẹ pé ṣé mo wá fòkùn fà wọ́n ni because wọ́n rí pé rubbish ló ń yarn you are not a sincere lady you lie with your full mouth ìyẹn kọ́ mo fẹ́ sọ lọ́sàn yìí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ bá mi rántí gbogbo yín rántí nǹkan tó sọ àbí ẹni tó bá ní fídíò yẹn kó fún mi mọ̀ bí á fídíò yẹn ni there was a video ṣé gbogbo yín rántí pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó ṣe fídíò tó lọ sí Èkó tó dé ẹ rántí pé gbà tó ṣe fídíò December yẹn tó sọ pé àwọn bá spending sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé gbogbo yín rántí èmi bọ́ tánjọ́ náà ṣe rántí ìwòyí láṣẹ náà ni ó pọ́jú kan mo ní ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀gbẹ́ evidence síta mo ní ẹjú fídíò síta kí gbogbo àmà play ṣé gbogbo yín rántí tí mo sọ pé ó dẹ̀ dùn mí pé kò ṣe mi lọ́wọ́ bá pé kálé mi ni màá ti dá gbogbo ẹ̀ síta tí gbogbo wa ń rẹ́rìn ṣé gbogbo yín rántí ìjọ náà lọ́hùn olórí burúkú òbúkọ́ dé òun dé ṣó ti yé yín rat boy òun náà bọ́ta ó ní we've got evidence if they don't say what I want we put the evidence out ṣé gbogbo yín rántí ìgbà tí spending wá bọ́ta ló sọ pé òun ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹ má gbàgbé pé bomb bastard ọmọ àlè Yamaneg yẹn ó tún bọ́ta ó lóun ò sọ pé òun lẹ́vidence ẹjọ́ ẹ bá mi rántí ẹ bá mi wá fídíò mi tó sọ pé òun ò lẹ́vidence yẹn ká play káwọn èèyàn gbọ́ ṣé gbogbo yín rántí pé ó bọ́ta ó ní mo sọ pé mo ní recording o mo sọ pé mo ní recording o àbí kò sọ ni ṣé mi mò ń fọ́ ọmọ ẹ̀ ni ẹ bá mi kọ̀ǹkọ̀ ṣé gbogbo yín rántí ó ṣe show yẹn ń jọ yẹn báyìí ni tí olórí burúkú rat boy how market mo kò bó sọ pé wọn bí bàbá da kọ́sáàkì ènìyàn ṣòro ni. Baba Mohbad, that was a lovely chat yesterday. God bless you, sir. On a pọ́n yín lé. Àwọn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín ju àwọn tó kórìíra yín lọ, bàbá. Àwọn tó ti nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín genuinely ní ṣìṣe lójú wọn, Baba Mohbad. That was a beautiful chat. Yes. The only thing tó máa fẹ́ níyàn ṣòro ń sí ni letter. Baba ti sọ mí by lánàá. Everything now is gonna be taken by Baba Mohbad. That was a beautiful chat. Baba, Ọlọ́run á pọ́n yín lé. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dojú ti àwa true justice, Ọlọ́run á pọ́n yín lé. Aṣọ yín ò ní fire. It's gone. Ó máa bá 2024 yìí lọ ni. Ó ti bá lọ. Ní gbé nìyàn ṣòro. Ní gbé wọ 2025. Ó ti lọ is a gunner. Mo ti sọ tí bá fẹnu mi gé nǹkan jẹ má jẹ, ṣùgbọ́n tí bá fi sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ bá mi dìímú ó máa padà wá ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹjọ́ ibo lórí burúkú wà ṣe. Èyí tó ń sọ pé wọn ò bí ẹni kọ́kọ́ dá. Odumosu is not going. Àwọn toothless. Kí lẹ máa ń pọ ajá ọmọ kékeré ajá yẹn? Kí lẹ máa ń pọ ọmọ kékeré ajá? Àwọn toothless puppies. Because I'm not going to call them bulldogs. They are not up to the task. Àwọn toothless puppies. Àwọn toothless chihuahua. Ẹni tó bá tiẹ̀ máa sọ̀rọ̀. Ajéyàn gidi. Tó ní integrity. Ṣé kò bójú bàbá yẹn fọ́ ni? Ẹ kò bójú bàbá yẹn fọ́ ni? Ẹ kò bá ríwó lọ́ fi ń ṣe ni? Ẹnu ò ṣe o. Ariwo kọ́ ni music o. Ẹnu ò ṣe o. Ẹ bá mi sọ fún wọn lílé ọkọ yẹn. Ẹnu ò ṣe o. Ariwo kọ́ ni music o. Empty barrel ló ń pariwo. Ẹbí bó ṣe ń sunkún. Ṣẹ́rí tí ń bá wọn jiyàn. Ẹ̀rí bó ṣe ń sunkún láti 2 weeks ago. Ṣẹ́rí mi kí ń bá wọn jiyàn. Mo ya look away. Àwọn àgbà òfìfo. Àwọn yamayama. If not for justice for Mohbad. Èmi máa mọ̀ ya yín rí ni àbí máa bá yín sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ̀yin olórí ibu olófo. They were crying profusely. Anyway, that is not the bone of contention. Ṣé gbogbo yín rántí? Wọ́n bọ́ta wọ́n sọ pé àwọn ò sọ pé àwọn record. Ibẹ̀ lẹ́tí wọn mọ̀ pé ṣẹ́rí, that lady, when she came into justice, her intentions was not pure. She came into justice just to milk the public. She came into justice to make her own money on a daily basis from social media. Am I communicating? Now, ṣé àwọn tí kò sọ fún gbogbo pé òun ò ní kíní yẹn lọ́wọ́. Ó láwọn ò sọ pé àwọn ní recording. Gbogbo adé dákẹ́, do mo wá play gbogbo video wọn. Adé look away. Not until ìgbà tí spending. Wọ́n ní spending ó prosecute. Ó gbé sórí àwọn newspapers. Ipe òun challenge kò mọ evidence bí tóun ti sọ̀rọ̀ síta. Now, board of contention mi kọ́ ní paper yẹn. Èmi wá ń sọ nǹkan kan lẹ́ni pé so ká sọ pé spending ló kọ nǹkan yẹn. A lot tí lady sọ pẹ̀lú àwọn olórí burúkú tó ń tẹ̀lé àtàwọn ajá ẹ̀. Ẹ máa gbọ́ gbogbo confession wọn bí báyìí o. And Baba Mohbad and Wahab, we have to talk about it. They need to petition that nuisance, that nitrit in Dublin, Blogger Yamaneg. Because she said some things here, which me believe it in me. Ẹ jẹ́ ká play ẹ̀kẹ́gbọ́. Mumbo.
These boys, they know they are the ones that fight more. Even this particular spending, all the saw ni pé mi ló pa mo. I have every evidence.
Sheba, even almost spending yìí, all the saw ni pé Wùmí ló pa mo. I have evidence. Ibi tí mo ti ní problem pẹ̀lú girl yìí ni. So, show ní evidence pé ọmọ yìí sọ tọ́jú ẹ̀ ni ṣé kó tó lọ ó ti ta evidence get kan tó sọ mọ́ ẹ̀ ni only I have evidence after 15 months abájọ she said and I quote only share that you rí justice wo wàá fi gbogbo nǹkan tó ń dùn ẹ́ láyọ̀ di pẹ́pọ̀ ní evidence lóòótọ́ tó dẹ̀ ń da bàbá ẹ̀ láàmú báyìí ọlọ́run á dá ẹ̀ láàmú ẹ jẹ́ kẹtù gbọ́ abẹ́ ẹ̀rántí pọ́ sọ pé òun evidence abẹ́ ẹ̀rántí ẹ jẹ́ ká máa play fún.
They know they are the ones that fight more.
Àǹtí Coffee tẹ́ bá wà bí ẹjọ́ bá mi wá bí tó ti sọ pé òun evidence yẹn ẹ bá mi wá ẹjọ́ kẹ́ send sí mi ẹ máa gbọ́.
These boys, they know they are the ones that fight more. Even this particular spending, all the saw ni pé mi ló pa more. I have every evidence. Oh wow, I will forward it to you. I will, when your lawyer, when that time comes, you will see.
Shebo, I have evidence. We have to take this up. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó bá gbà la máa fi fún. She will have to provide that evidence. This voice note is going to the team, the legal team. She has to provide that evidence. She says because this evidence is part of what we are looking for. You cannot have evidence and audit. I don't want to care either you are in justice or Mohbad or you are not. Even if you are out, you still have to provide that evidence. This is a big word coming from most of you. Lawyer certificate course ló ṣe. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ. So o ní evidence. O dẹ̀ mọ́mọ́ dímú láti joy. Ìtorí pé òun fẹ́ seniority. Ìtorí òun fẹ́ kí bàbá wa máa lá kó máa leak àṣẹ. Ìtorí ẹ kí gbogbo èèyàn máa júbà fún ẹ. So o ní evidence. Ẹ wo lórí burúkú tó sọ pé mi ni mo dá justice rú. Tó bá sì ní gbé bàbá Mohbad ṣépè. Ẹ wo lórí burúkú ọmọ yìí. Abájọ tí ó support GoFundMe. Abájọ tó ta kété tó wà over the fence. Ẹgbọ́n kan tó sọ ni. Only I have evidence. She was saying it with her full chest. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́, ẹ jẹ́ kí n tún máa ń bẹ̀ mí ní interrupt me.
Even this particular spending, all the saw ni pé mi ló pa more. I have every evidence. Oh wow, I will forward it to you. I will, when your lawyer, when that time comes, you will see. Your evidence, by the evidence I will give them, then I will also sue you to court on behalf of Mohbad.
Olórí burúkú Shoyona, you want to sue him to court on behalf of Mohbad. Ìwọ lọ sue ẹ̀ fún nǹkan tó sọ yìí. Abẹ́gbọ́, I have every evidence. She waited for 15 months. Ṣé mo sọ fún yín pé gbogbo àwọn tó yìí kù nínú justice for Mohbad talk they support justice gbogbo wọn lọ́lọ́run máa fi ṣẹ̀sín. Abẹ́gbọ́, I have every evidence. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ń sọ.
Personally, I will deal with you. Ìyá Òṣogbo yẹn.
How they remove the CCTV camera? Spending yìí náà ló sọ. Who removed the DVR? Spending yìí náà ló sọ. Spending yìí ló sọ. You worry last. Were you not there when they hit something on Mohbad's head? Exactly. No be your mouth you used to talk am.
You are the one that said, even that girl said it. And over parof, over the life, I know so majority of the things phone to change them. That's why that woman was not going.
This is our little
Mombo, ẹ jẹ́ ká tún padà lọ. Ṣé ti gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? Mombo, ẹ ní sùúrù. Mombo. Yeah.
I have every evidence. Oh wow, I will forward it to you. I will, when your lawyer, when that time comes, you will see. Your evidence, by the evidence I will give them, then I will also sue you to court on behalf of Mohbad. Personally, I will deal with you. ìyá Òṣogbo yẹn á jẹnu ẹ̀. Yes, because ikú Mohbad ìyàwó òbí ẹ̀ ń jẹ ìyà nítorí ẹ̀. Tó àwọn yẹn ó kù sí wọn lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n fẹ́ justice fún ọmọ wọn. Wọ́n ti wọ́n fún pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
Yeye Kudi, that queen must also be sued for painting a criminal. For not allowing us to get justice, she needs to be sued.
She has been hiding and pushing this boy up and down, using him to milk people, using him to collect money, for her to come out and cry, for her to come out and cry, for her to come out and cry that I'm stopping people from giving spending money.
In America, right? In America, we shall see.
I don't know the queen. I only have her voice. Kate now sent me her voice.
All right,
I don't know the
don't worry. Don't worry. The people are in America, right? Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
No
I don't know the
problem.
queen.
Mati Bobo Yelo. Mati Bobo Yelo. Mati Bobo Yelo. Right?
Her voice here. Let me play her voice for you people. Just her voice, okay? Let me just play her voice.
Hey guys, good morning.
Èèyàn mà ní ká o. So nǹkan tí ò yé mi ni pé so ká sọ pé spending ló sọ pé òun fẹ́ sùn lady kò ní sọ gbogbo eléyìí síta. Ṣé àjọ ọmọ òun àti spending ni pé kán má sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ kọ́kọ́ look away? Because gbogbo eléyìí tó wá ń sọ ń sìn, I don't understand it. Mo yìí need the video. Ó níbi kan tó ti ń bú wèrè publicist ẹ̀ náà, mo fẹ́ bá wọn play yẹn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ ń wò mí ni. Mo ń bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n pe daddy wa náà. Ẹ jẹ́ pé daddy tó bá wà lórí platform yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n pè wọ́n. Mo ń bọ̀ ẹ ní sùúrù. Èèyàn mà burú o. Ta la fẹ́ trust náà? Ẹ wo bó ṣe bọ́ tanjọ́ yẹn. Kò sí rọ́tò patán. Èmi ni mo no, I'm a petition ẹ̀. I'm a petition ẹ̀. She's gonna be petitioned. Trust me. As to lọ leak leko gbà tó lọ yẹn, ó tún máa ṣe lọ leak ẹ̀. She's gonna be petitioned because she needs to provide that evidence. Gbogbo nǹkan tí n bá ní yẹn máa fi bàjá. I swear to God. She needs to provide that evidence or else. Ó máa mú gbogbo evidence sílẹ̀ o. Ibi tẹ́mi máa ti bá fa wàhálà nísìn. Mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ bá wọ ṣòkòtò kan náà ni. Ẹnu ẹ̀ ló fi sọ. She was not under duress. She was not under duress. She said it with her full chest. Ó ní gbogbo evidence mo ní. Meanwhile, ìwòyí last year, ó sọ pé ò ní evidence kankan. Mo ń bọ̀. Ṣé mo pé mo bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ ṣòkòtò kan náà rí? Màá bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ ṣòkòtò kan náà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ evidence tó níyẹn. Wàá mú sílẹ̀ o. Mi fẹ́ mọ̀ ẹni tó fẹ́ mọ̀. Wàá mú àwọn dádì ògbé. Okay, dádì ti gbé. Hello, dádì.
Hello.
Ẹ kálẹ́ sà. Yes, sir. Ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́ sà. Dádì mi mọ̀ bí ẹ̀ ń wò wá. Ó ní fídíò kan tó lọ viral tí bèbí tó wà ní Dublin yẹn ṣe. Ṣó ti yẹn dádì? Abúga jẹ̀bi olúwa yẹn. Ó wá sọ́nu fídíò yẹn pé òun ní gbogbo evidence.
Ti spending fi sọ̀rọ̀.
Ti spending fi sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni dádì.
Gbogbo confession bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ó tún deny later.
Dádì ṣe rántí pé òun last year ló sọ pé òun ò ní evidence ṣe rántí sà ìgbà tó lọ sẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó dé.
Ó tún deny. Ó tún deny. Ó ní pé òun sọ pé òun ní evidence. You now did a show láti sọ pé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ yìí ó kọ́ sọ pé òun evidence ó rẹ̀ tó sọ pé òun evidence. Gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ yìí tó sọ authoritatively òun evidence. O kàn fẹ́ fi trade ni. I could remember that show. You did something like that.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni tí mo ṣe fún bẹ́ẹ̀ni sà.
Yeah.
Daddy game wo lẹ rò pé guy yìí play náà because mo ń play video yẹn fáwọn èèyàn tí mo ní ká pè yín wọlé náà. Game wo lẹ rò bó ń play daddy.
Because they see what I said from day one. It's a judo strategy. Àwọn kan wà tó yẹ pé when they move close to you, it is to eat you below the bed. They are gathering information for trading. Gbogbo tó bá wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ àtọ̀rọ̀ àti gbogbo ohun tí bàbá bá ti sọ rí àti anybody ti sọ fún rí àti gbogbo ohun tó bá rí, it's not going to tailor it towards justice. It's for trading. If you look, first show that you did when you were, we are calling the attention of people to this. Our wow, they are in this justice for business. They can bend backward to negotiate. They can bend backward to use any. I've never met so person before. I mean, but to sue a also the first day to so now. With my foot chest, only a cake Joe, I don't know the killing by it. Only recording one leg. So, all that's what why again? What only was only recording. Of recent, the last show, I'm hearing of recording again. It's for trading. And that is why you will see them poison pill. They look for something that is not necessary. Raise people's emotion. Distract our attention. They will now. That's why you see some ganging of people negotiating behind, looking for people to work with, forming all sort of coalition to give justice a wide path. They're parting sumo justice. I want to and that is what is happening. And I told people that when we get to the bridge, we shall cross. Only bridge out in my debts. I want to very sínú Milan Bridge. You want to race for other ones. They can't. It's a marathon race. They can't stand the test. Kabatidori Bridge. We will know who is really fighting justice. Oh man, got on from the onset now. And I was telling people. It's not too difficult to know somebody who is deceptive now. It is wickedness. Wickedness. Let me tell you one thing. Go and watch our show very well. Tell me whether she has made any single effort to push for justice or moving in circle. To bash a show lately, go and watch the next show. The next show is, if it's taking one step forward, it will be 10 steps backward. Next show to Bamashi. Chebo no koko rubbish spending. Spending cannot be a good witness. No koko rubbish now. With how much? One contribute to the problem time really justice and no to play. Local discredit witness. Something that you can manage. No what contribute for. You should bring the essence back. And that cause problem. And that is to give an impression that the witness tells, I was telling you then, so possible, Sha. You said you have a credible witness. One batch only 1.2 million. Then discredited. Does it make sense? Only any record there, that's what she was telling us then. But it's me, you tell my body, internet, you came out and said that the next show to say, they discredited that same person because of excess money. Money that people contributed for a cause. If there is any excess, the justice is still there. That witness is really going to have some, we are still going to have some encounter. And I challenge her then, you're a lawyer. If you have a witness like spending, people you have to 4 hours advice. Check is to make sure that you get a good lawyer to go and take this guy's testimony based on what you said she has told us. He has told us. Or he has told you with confidence. Live chat. There are so many things that are going on that you never disclose now until it over mature now.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sir.
Immediately, tí spending bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀, olókọ́kọ́ gbéta, ó dẹ̀ raise the flag. I told you that flag there is to tell some people, hurry up, go and close the gap. There is a leakage somewhere. I told you that, don't send the signal out to me. This boy that is in prison is about singing. He's been singing already. Moving on time. If not, why to mass of ogbon or ti internet ma lana? Asiri ti wa tú báyìí. Olóṣò yẹn o. Ìgbà tó máa ṣe next show, ó kàn pé ọ̀rọ̀ SS money wọlé. So what she's doing now is not different from that. She could describe it. If it don't bring idea, Berekete family. He could not be in the forefront. He could not lead. He couldn't take the credit. She could discredit it because the same Berekete. Tell me any move that you make. I listened to one of them yesterday. Tony, if I said what drop was most using, and what I felt low pathology, Mario, so what I deal with you there and don't want justice. No, so good most will deal with us by not letting Baba see the pathologist report. These people are, this is wickedness. Because what they are contributing towards delaying justice, Baba made a statement yesterday and to hide the evidence on justice. Go contribute to the injustice that we are talking about. Baba said it, and it is simple logic. You want to know evidence or they hide there. So what is that making you to want to present the evidence you have? So the evidence is your own personal aggrandizement or for your own personal pursuit? If you are telling your confidence, only yes, for whatever you have said against me, you have to defend it. You can hear one evidence. And you think these people are for justice? Trading, trading. Also for me, I did not go to the palace. I've never met. It's not about having physical contact with somebody. All of a sudden you change. I've watched that lady very well. She did something on one show. This is somebody who came out and told us that Oro Mohbad family and some months later came out and told us that family ni wa.
Abosi ẹ ti pọ̀jù daddy.
First class inú ẹ̀ ò dùn sí program ẹ̀ lè rí bí tó bá di pé justice máa dé lọ́la tó bá di pé justice àárọ̀ lánàá ni justice máa dé ó lè wá yẹn kò kọ nǹkan tó máa fi scatter ẹ̀. So it is written all over her now. Tó bá ti jókòó yẹn báyìí, you will see it's just the only thing that gives her joy is to bring people down. The only thing that gives her joy is to bring people down. You will see that you will see it is when she's destroying somebody passionately. You will not be hearing, I'm not baby. That is what she enjoys. But when people are working hard to make sure that they find solution to a problem, no. Really consistently inconsistent. Àwọn kan dẹ̀ náà eléyìí náà á dẹ̀ láwọn kan tó ń dúró lórí program ẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ ló ń gbé sọ̀rọ̀. It's a shame. You can continue with your program. I'm with you.
That day mo nǹkan tèmi tiẹ̀ wá ń sọ. Mo ní báyìí bàbá máa petition ẹ̀ mi ìkọyé tó máa kọ because daddy ó ti sọ publicly pé òun ní evidence and she needs to bring that evidence out too.
Let me tell you one thing. From day one, pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ń jọ yẹn, ẹni tí ò ní evidence ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ń jọ yẹn. Forget whether spending is even spending taking her to court is to cover up something. me, I believe there's an arrangement just to give an impression that, okay, whatever is there, that we all believe. It's a perception management now. They are just managing the information now. They are trying to reverse what we all know to be obvious. It's a game now that they are playing now. That lady has evidence. That lady, I told you, is just like opening two camp. After Atonti meet it on, you go and play this role. You stay in this side. Let's pretend that we are fighting ourselves. I will be shouting from my own angle. You will be shouting from your own angle. At the end of the day, they will now come and rub it on our face that there is no evidence on that matter. That lady has evidence. Even what she's doing now is still trading. It's still trading. Kind of an impression of they are not together with spending to scam to extort somebody. How do you know that they are not together to extort somebody? I told you that the palace, they will continue to extort the palace. With the information to one on way, they will position spending as if they are fighting. Spending will go one angle, they will go one angle. I want all the information but will be afraid and be looking for a way to prevent what is about to happen. That thing should not come out. It's because of that boy now. Can't you see that boy went to court? Am I not going to stay and not defend myself? It is still trading. It is still trading. The same thing to share the phone. On the phone. One information export will be. Some of these guys cannot continue now. There's no way they can sustain their greed now. There's no way we can sustain them now. It is a test of time. We might break very soon. I will not dancing. All these things that they are doing. Somebody is sitting down somewhere that is afraid of the game that they are playing now. And that person has no option than to throw money at whatever is going on. But she has evidence. She has evidence on this matter. In fact, it is Baba's lawyer should just walk in now. Since you have claimed that there is an evidence in your possession, you should be able to come to court and drop that evidence. In fact, if she refuses to turn up, she's part of the conspiracy. She's part of the conspiracy. One of evidence. Evidence, you must tender it publicly or in court. The court is the court of public, not the court of public opinion. Anything that has entered court becomes a public document. So you must tender it in court so that the whole world can see whatever evidence that you have. My sister, backfire. With the phone, you should backfire. You'll be surprised where this one is taking us.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n tí náà ìgbà tí ọmọ àlè ẹ̀gbọ́n ìṣàlàyé ṣé wọ́n sì pé òun ló kọ́kọ́ gbé wọlé tó ń sunkún fún bàbá jọ náà bàbá mo bá dé ẹjọ́ mo bá bẹ̀bẹ̀ ṣé mo gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí yẹn náà sọ fún ó lóun ò ní sọ ìgbà tó lọ bá wọn bàbá wọ́n ní kó gbé legal team ìgbà tí ẹ̀gbọ́n ìṣàlàyé lọ bá ó bá ẹnìkan sọ mímẹ tó bá sọ kó ṣe bàbá ṣá ọwọ́ lókè ìgbà tó ó dàbọ̀ pé yẹn pé kó wá sọ nǹkan tó mọ̀ ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó sọ fún ọ ní ó lóun ní bẹ́ẹ̀ni kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àfi tó bá gbé gẹ́ọ̀ yẹn wọlé tó bá gbé gẹ́ọ̀ Dublin yẹn wọlé wípé òun fẹ́ kó wà lórí line pẹ̀lú àwọn kẹ́lẹ̀ mọ́.
My sister, well, you see, that's why I told you that they've been using fear appeal. You see that penetration strategy. Tí ẹ gbé wá ń gbà yẹn tó ní tí ó bá rí bàbá ọmọ one on one nìkan ló máa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn tó wà lẹ́wọ̀. They gave us the impression that woman sister has something that tó bá sọ fún bàbá nìkan ló lè sọ fún.
Òun náà ló ṣe gẹ́ẹ̀ Dublin yẹn náà ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ nǹkan tó wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ fà mọ́ra.
There is nothing, they have nothing. In fact, gbogbo tó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn pátá wọ́n máa fi trade ni. They have nothing that they will drop for justice. Gbogbo tó wà lọ́wọ́ wọn, they will trade with it. Àwọn tó kàn fún wọn opportunity láti enter from the beginning. That's why I'm happy. Ìtò tó ń lé kọ́mọdé má dò ló níyì. If you did not allow them to play the role they have played today, and when you ban it, they will have gotten justice on time. It's just because somebody did not want some people to play they have played the role, and we have seen them. Gbogbo tó ló wà lọ́wọ́ tí yẹn ní chemist tí ó dókòó sí America tó ń prescribe oògùn fún ara Nàìjíríà. Ẹni tó ní bàbá ní òun bá bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá ní kò lọ pọ̀ sí ọmọ ẹ̀ bàbá ó sọ fún bàbá ẹ má sí ọmọ yẹn o bàbá ò dáhùn lóhùn tó dẹ̀ ló ní evidence lọ́wọ́.
Ìyẹn omíyalé.
Ó dẹ̀ lé evidence lọ. Ó dẹ̀ ló ní evidence lọ́wọ́. Ìjọ tó ti wá mìtì bàbá ó ti rí bàbá bá sọ̀rọ̀ òfò kí ló ti sọ fún bàbá o? Kí lẹ́ evidence ló ti gbé fún bàbá? Gbogbo wọn ní tó jẹ́ hard evidence on this matter. They would rather use it to preach. They would rather use it to preach. And that's why àwọn tó máa mọ̀ kó máa jáṣẹ́ àwọn gbogbo Sunday bàbá and so pastor gbogbo nǹkan tó ń dòkó sí ajé ìgbìmọ̀ tó ń jọ pátápátá. It's not too difficult for one to know that these people are just bunch of deceptive elements, just catching on people's emotion. But this manipulation should stop. I don't know why people even still follow them. This manipulation should stop. You are happy. Only pathologists only from a report. You are happy. Only once we deal with you. So think about the lawyer to fire lawyer. It's a crime.
Daddy, tí ó bá jẹ́ pon ní plan. Daddy, tí ó bá jẹ́ pon ní plan. Kí ló ń dùn wọ́n pé mo gbà yàn sick pé kó wá ṣe fún mi. Mo dẹ̀ mo need the service ẹ mọ́. Make it make sense. Kí ló fà jà? Kí ló fà wàhálà? Kí ló fẹ́ kún? Ẹkún Jeremiah tó ń sún kiri.
Èèyàn kan ló wà ńbẹ̀ tó dùn mo sùn náà wá gbaṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Tẹ̀lé èèyàn kan ló wà ńbẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Òṣùmọ̀ṣù kan ló start gbogbo legal kìíní náà. My sister, àwọn eléyìí trade lọ́wọ́ ni, but Baba should not play along. Baba should step in. Baba should make sure wípé gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ pé òun ní lọ́wọ́ yìí ó gbọ́dọ̀ present ẹ̀. Either to the tí o bá present ẹ̀ to the legal team. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ lọ present in court.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
That's just my position on that.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Yeah.
Thank you, my sister.
Ẹ ṣé daddy, God bless you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wọ́n ló sọ bìkan mi ní fídíò sí ẹni ẹ bá mi send tẹ́ bá ní. Ẹ bá mi send fídíò yẹn tẹ́ bá ní. Mi ní gbogbo àwọn fídíò yẹn ni. Sister confirm money confirm but me go be. Okay. Mo nǹkan tó sọ mi báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́.
This queen person, she said the one that Kekla said to me, it wasn't about Mohbad, it was about spending. Yeah. And the money that they have stopped people from giving to spending. And the stupid spending that went to the court, did he say anything? Did he say anything? In fact, the last time he was seen in the court, they said he was sweating profusely. Just sweating for no reason. Profusely.
The day to that pussy court, yeah. Only when he was going back home, o kàn fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ní court ni pé òun kàn pretend pé òun dákú ni.
Yeah.
Ó fi wọ́n ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ni.
Yeah. That was what he did. That first time he went to demonstrate. He lied. It was all pretense. Wọ́n sọ fún kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o, wọ́n kàn display ni. You can imagine. You can imagine when I heard all those things, I was like, what? Is this the animal? Tabel, are these the kind of people Mo was dealing with during his lifetime? Àwọn apàyàn rẹ̀.
Am I with Queen? Alomawa or your Toma Daddy phone saying you will see today. You will go to.
Why are you worried about that boss man?
No. No. I know her. I'm training people. I bet it on you. You will see Queen coming out. You will see her out now on platform shopping.
I don't care about her.
I'm only predicting. I am predicting what's going to happen.
Èmi ò care about òun.
I am predicting what is going to happen. I know how
ti ṣe jáde tẹ́lẹ̀ tó máa sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń tọrọ owó tó ń ké torí wò fún àwọn èèyàn stop láti fún spending lówó mọ̀ mí wà àwọn kan fún lówó. Bèbí tó fún bàbá lówó yẹn tí bàbá ní kí n dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ spending ni ó chop girl yẹn gan na.
Ó check again, you to understand there. You ti gbígbà wọlé sí yìí. Mo wọ́n ni wọ́n, mo wọ́n ni
ó chop girl yẹn gan na. You can imagine. Meanwhile, you are pretending as if you are mourning Mohbad. Meanwhile, you are not mourning Mohbad. You are not mourning Mohbad at all. At all.
Gbogbo yín ò notice nǹkan kan. Gbogbo kan fi Mohbad cash out ni. Gbogbo pátápátá wọ́n kàn fi Mohbad cash out. Everything about them is money, 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 money. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́.
Mohbad is not seeing.
Queen is not looking for justice for Mohbad. Our own aim is to just defend spending and to get him out, get him out of the whole thing. That is what Queen is looking for. And if Queen thinks that it's not the right thing, let her come and sue me. Come and sue me. I'm a joker. I'm a trash anyway. But what I'm by since December last year, looking for justice.
Ẹnu pọ̀. I'm a trash. Wèrè tó sọ pé Odúmọ̀sù is not going. If Odúmọ̀sù is going, BJ is going. Àbẹ́yà wèrè ni. Bàbá á mú mi kó tó mú gbogbo yín. Kó tó wá sílẹ̀ báyìí. Ipa wa ni bàbá ń dá, àwa ni bàbá mú àwọn true justice. Kó gbogbo yín sílẹ̀ báyìí sẹ́. Kó fi mí sí ẹ̀yìn pátápátá. Bàbá Mohbad á lọ sẹ́yìn á lọ mú mi. Èmi ò ń ṣe blogger fún bàbá. Ọmọ ni mo jẹ́ fún bàbá. Mo ti di family bàbá yẹn ni. Ẹ gbàgbé pé ó ń sọ̀rọ̀ fún bàbá. Èmi ti di family bàbá. Nǹkan tí ò yé yín nìyẹn. Ará àtàlẹ̀ yìí, ará alé lèmi. Gbogbo nǹkan tó máa dùn bàbá yẹn nínú lèmi máa ṣe. Gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá yẹn máa fi rí justice tọkàn ẹ máa balẹ̀. Àbíkọ́ yẹn tọkàn ẹ máa balẹ̀. Ìtọ́jú tọ́mọ ò fún. Táwa ẹ máa fún. Ẹbí tí ò rí lára ọ̀dẹ̀ ìgbà tọ́mọ ẹ wà láyé. Táwa máa ṣẹbí fún tadẹ̀ tí ń ṣe fún. Ẹ wo bàbá lẹ́ni náà. Ẹ wo bàbá nínú fídíò àǹtí Détọ́lá. Ẹ wo bí bàbá ṣe fine. Tí bàbá ń ro boss. Ìyá Mohbad ṣaṣangele. Ara máa tá ní báyìí. Ara máa tá ní. Ẹ wo bàbá náà. Ibi tí mo ti ń wo fídíò yẹn gbà tá àǹtí Détọ́lá send ẹ̀ sí mi. Mo kàn smile ni. Mo ní bó jẹ́lẹ̀ Nicola achieve gan. We are fulfilled. Bàbá yẹn change ìwádìí. Bàbá Mohbad is a fine man. Bàbá yẹn change ìwádìí. Ẹ wo skin wọn. Bàbá ti sanra. Wọ́n ti fresh. Ìtòrò rí àwa ẹni bí ẹni. Àwa èèyàn bí èèyàn. Àwọn family. Ẹ wo bàbá yẹn. He was just smiling. He was just, hey, Baba Mo. Ìyá Mohbad, ayé ẹ ti bàjẹ́, olórí burúkú, wèrè tó ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. Àbíàgbà, olòṣì àti ẹ̀rí, ṣó ti bódò lọ ni, ṣó ti bá 2024 lọ ni. Wo bàbá Mohbad, wo bá yẹ ṣe celebrate ìyá Mohbad. Ìyá Mohbad, kò bá jẹ́ wà àti bàbá lọ́jọ́ celebrate bẹ́yẹn. Àwọn olórí burúkú tó fà wọ́n mọ́ra ìyá Mohbad wọ́n kàn use ẹni àgùntàn òpáṣọ ìṣídà àkísà ló ń wọ̀ kiri wàá rò ìyá ò bá bàbá tán wọ́n bó ṣe rí ó kàn ń gbẹ sí ni ó ń gbẹ sí ó fẹ́ ni ò pàṣẹ ò kúrò lójú kan ayé ò ṣàánú ẹ àwọn tó ń ràn ẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gan ọ fi ẹ́ sábẹ́ ni wọ́n lè fi ẹ́ wọ̀n kò sí èyí tó lọlé tó lọ kí ẹnu wọn because ó ò ṣe nǹkan dáadáa èèyàn mélòó lórí bàbá tó lọ tí bàbá súnmọ́ àwa yìí là ń fa bàbá mọ́ra là ń dùn nínú anybody tó bá súnmọ́ wọ́n fẹ́ gba information lọ́wọ́ ẹni ó ní bí wọ́n bá ṣe rárá kí ó ra ìyá ọ nǹkan tó ní kálukú bá gbìn ló bá ká ìyá Mohbad ó ti gbìn láti support Àṣànà tó pa ọmọ ẹ tó dẹ̀ dákẹ́ ṣé gbogbo yín wá ti pé mo sọ statement kan fún yín jọ yẹn Mohbad àti orí state ni Mohbad ti ṣàbọ̀ sílẹ̀ fọ́ọ̀mù yẹn ṣé wọ́n ti pé mo sọ́njọ́ yẹn Àṣànà come out